thanks for tuning in today to Naturally Tanya. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please take a quick second before we get started to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Click that bell right next to it so you can stay up to date whenever I upload a new video. And if you are returning to my channel, thanks for rocking with your girl. You know I appreciate you guys. And we're gonna hop on into today's video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Fenty Beauty Easy Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I have mine in the shade 17. This is what the packaging looks like. I did show you guys this product in my mini Sephora haul, and we're gonna be trying it out today. And as you guys can see, I've already done the rest of my makeup, so we are just going to literally see how we are liking this skin tint. Now, one of the main reasons I got this was gonna be for the summertime so that I would not be melting out here in the, summer heat. This is supposed to be heat resistant and humidity resistant, so this should be perfect for the warmer weather. And also if you're someone who likes to wear makeup going to the gym, all of that sort of stuff, this should be able to handle all of that. As I mentioned previously, I did pick this item up from Sephora. It was about $29.50. I'll of course leave a link in the description box so that you can get all that information. This says that it is a lightweight, buildable, light to medium coverage skin tint that leaves skin looking blurred and smooth, and it's in flexible shades for all. It is free of parabens and all that good stuff. Well, it's not good stuff. It's free of parabens and all that bad stuff. That's what I meant to say. It says this is an easy to apply, flexible skin tint Rihanna wanted to create. It quickly and visibly evens out your complexion with a blurred effect. The Hydro Blend Complex and humidity, sweat, and transfer resistant formula has a smooth texture that layers well with primer and skincare. So with all that said, I'm just gonna take my little silicone beauty blender and we're gonna apply this foundation. My goodness. So this is how I'm looking after just applying a little bit, and I am feeling it, guys. My freckles are intact, but I feel like my skin is looking, it's starting to look like a little, exactly what it said, like blurred out. I am gonna add a little bit more and see how I like that. For it, I love this light to medium coverage. I feel like you could put on more if you have freckles or any type of dark spots that you're trying to cover. I feel like you could go ahead and be a bit more heavy-handed with the product than I'm being. I do like a lighter amount of coverage, especially in the warmer months. So now I'm going to stop here and I'm just going to apply a little bit of my Fenty concealer, and then I think we're gonna be all set, guys. I promise you, it's when I'm not going anywhere that my makeup looks, I just love the way I look. Always. I cannot be the only person like that. This is my first time also using this little contoured end of this to apply my concealer. Usually I use a regular mini beauty blender, but I think this is gonna get the job done. So this is, the complete look, and overall, I'm really loving this Fenty Beauty Easy Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I feel like this is definitely gonna be one of my go-tos for the summer and the warmer months, and just in general when I just want sort of a lighter type of coverage, but I still want that flawless effect. I love that the price point is very affordable, and I also love this packaging. Like having it be like a little squeeze bottle is very, very unique and convenient in my opinion. And I feel like it makes it really easy to just makes it really easy to just throw this in your purse, or if you're traveling in your carry-on bag. This is just gonna be definitely an essential product for sure as far as like my makeup goes. And I feel like the color match, it is true to the suggestions online. I did order this based on the shade that I wear in the Fenty foundation, so I definitely feel like it matched up really well, and I hope that I don't get too tan in the summer. If not, I'll just have to, you know, grab another one. But overall, yeah, drop a comment down below letting me know what you think, but I'm definitely feeling myself. I wish I had somewhere to go right now, but that's okay, that's okay. Definitely don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, and of course subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the shenanigans. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye guys.